Hi, I'm Simon Ford. I'm the founder of Fords Gin. I'm going to make a sloe gin fizz. The sloe gin fizz is a retro drink that was very popular in the 70s, although it was invented at the early 1900s, and we're on a mission right now to bring this back. The good thing about sloe gin is it's made with these little berries. They're very bitter, so they turn it into a liqueur by adding a little bit of sugar to it, and by being a liqueur, it can bring some of the sweetness that this drink needs. But we still give this some more gin as a base spirit. So we bring in some Fords gin. And so it's 1 part sloe gin and 1 part London dry gin. And then it's a sour, so we bring in the lemon juice, 3/4 part. And a little splash of simple syrup. Even though sloe gin is technically a liqueur, it's a bitter berry, so just a little bit of sweetener going in from the simple syrup is good. So then we're going to shake that up. The reason we shake the sloe gin fizz is because it's got lemon, simple syrup, and all these flavors, and they really need to be invigorated, and the flavors need to sort of come together. So usually, if your drink is just spirits, you would stir it, keep it silky, and if you've got fruits, and we've got lemon juice here and fresh ingredients like that, you would shake it. So we're going to shake it for that reason. I don't mind. There we go. This is going to have a deep, rich red color. Just get it to there. Yeah, this is a refreshing drink, and so we're going to add a little bit of soda water just to spritz it up and give it a little fizz, hence being called a sloe gin fizz. Sloe gin was sort of made artificial flavors and so on around the 70s, and the really good sloe gins that are made with real fresh berries weren't really around, so it was more about the quality of ingredients. But now there are a number of really good sloe gins back on the market that use fresh sloe berries to make it with high quality. So now's a good time for this drink to make a good comeback. I can see that they're separated, so give it a little stir to bring it all together. Add your garnish and sloe gin fizz.